how to add Notion calendar in Notion. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to go to the Notion official website and log into your Notion account. And after coming to here or logging into your account, as you can see, welcome to Notion, this page will appear and you just have to click on the plus icon beside the private section, and you can see there will be created a new page like this one, and you can just simply type in suppose calendar here and click on enter, and then you can just give a slash and then calendar, and as you can see there is a option called calendar view. You just have to simply click on here, and as you can see there is the calendar of this month is already created here, and you can just add a specific task on a specific day on your calendar. Let's say on 24 you will add a task, so you just have to click on plus icon from here, and after clicking on plus icon you can see there's a new page. So let's name it task 1, and then you can see there is a option or tags option, so you can just simply click on after that and click on cancelled and click on enter, and then you can click on in progress and click on enter, and you can also type in then completed. So basically these tags means which phase are you in on doing the task. So you can just click on add property from here, and you can also add text, number, multi-select, status and everything. And if you click on text, so you can just name the specific task name from here, like create a YouTube channel, and click on enter after here. Text YouTube channel, and then click on enter, and as you can see it's already registered here. And you can also comment on your task or make anyone else to comment in your task. So after that you just simply have to go back, and as you can see the task 1 is here on the 24th of July as I have just created, and if you click on it the details of the task will be shown, as you can see. So then you can come to the welcome to Notion, and you can see on a private section the Notion calendar is added. So that's it for this video. That's how you can add Notion calendar in Notion in 2025. See you on the next video, guys.